Just a quick walk around video. Our 37 Ford pickup. This is a truck that we sold a few years ago, and I have to say it's come back to us in even nicer condition. It's been beautifully looked after. It's an original right-hand drive version. It's had some sensible upgrades over the years, so it's running a 12-volt system with an old school style generator. That's a 24 stud flathead in there, absolutely on the button. Beautiful clean engine bay, and you can just hear they just purr. It's almost silent, and that will tick over all day. That's all been rebuilt, that engine. Very, very sweet. Lovely colour combination. Paintwork is gorgeous. Coker Classic Tyres white walls all round. They're not cheap. Nice cab. It's got seat belts. Some additional dials there which are sensible. Temperature there, fuel and oil pressure. That oil pressure is magnificent for one of these. It is warm and really healthy. But that's a nice place to be in there. Just walking round. It's got a tonneau on there underneath. Probably to see it's all nicely painted on the inside of that truck, and it's got a rubber bed, so you could use it. She is lovely. Forgot how nice it was. But we only sell nice cars, so what do I expect? These have all been done additionally. She's lovely down there. Glove box, 3-speed manual. They're not built for speed, these things, but it will cruise quite happily at 55, 60, no problem at all. She's lovely. Show quality, that is. A really, really nice early Ford pickup.